This part we're going to look at protein formation, and what we mean by that is where do they come from? Where do we get the backbone skeletons for all of these things? If we start looking at proteins, we're going to start out with glycolysis, with glucose. Key over there says they're essential. The essential ones are going to be marked in red. There's conditional ones, and the conditional ones are those that at some time or another may need them because of disease or certain defect. And then there are those that are not essential, and basically you're able to manufacture those on your own. So we start out with glucose. Glucose gets reduced down to 3-phosphoglycerate, and out of the 3-phosphoglycerate we get the formation of serine. From the serine we can get the formation of glycine and cysteine. If we continue down, the 3-phosphoglycerate is modified into phosphoenolpyruvate, and from that we get the building blocks of tryptophan and phenylalanine, both of which are essential. We also get the formation of tyrosine out of this pathway, and tyrosine is a conditional. Phosphoenolpyruvate is modified into pyruvate. From pyruvate we get the basis of alanine and valine, which is essential, and leucine, which also is essential. Pyruvate, we go into the citric acid cycle. Out of the citric acid cycle, remember this is going to start out with 6 carbon units, and we're going to be able to get 5s and 4s out of this. Alpha ketoglutaric acid, or alpha ketoglutarate, is a 4 carbon unit, and from this one we get the formation of glutamate. Out of glutamate we get proline, arginine, and glutamine. Out of glutamine we get histidine, which happens to be essential. The other pathway we've got is on the other side, where we take oxaloacetate, which is 4 carbons, and this we can get out of that aspartate, which gives rise to asparagine. The aspartate can also give rise to threonine and lysine, which are essential. Methionine, which is essential. Threonine can give rise to isoleucine, which is essential. When we look at this, there are a lot of different pathways that start out that give us the backbones for the different amino acids that we have here.